Good morning, first grade. We have our week 29 spelling test today. The focus skill is the long I sound spelled IGH. So when we see those letters together in that order and that combination, it can say I. All right, if you want to grab a blank spelling test paper, go ahead and put your name, first and last name at the top, and then we can go ahead and get started. Okay, number one is sigh, sigh. She let out a huge sigh of relief when she found the missing book. Sigh, I. Number one. Okay, number one last time. Sigh. Number two, light, light. Can you please turn on the light? Light. Number two, one more time, light. Number three, sight. Some animals use their really good eyesight to stay safe. Sight. Eye. Sight. Number three, one more time, sight. Number four is right. Make a right at the stop sign. Or you answered that question correctly. You were right. Right. Number four again was right. Number five, fright. Fright. That movie gave me quite a fright. I Fright. Number five. Okay, number six is might. I think it might rain tomorrow. Might. Number six, might. Okay, I'm going to read 1 through 6 just quickly. Number 1 is sigh. Number 2 is light. Number 3 is sight. Number 4 is right. Number 5 is fright. And number 6 is might. Okay, moving on to number 7. Number 7 is tight. Tight. Those shoes are a little tight. Tight. Number 7. Number 8, night. Night. I pack my lunch the night before. Night. Number 8, night. Okay, number 9, high. High. The clouds are high up in the sky. High. I. High. Okay, number 9, one more time. High. Number 10, bright. Bright. The sun is really bright. Bright. Okay, number 10, one more time. Bright. Number 11, fight. Fight. Have you ever had a snowball fight? Fight. Number 11. Okay, and last, number 12, slight. Slight. There is a slight difference between the book and the movie. Slight. 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 Number 12, slight. Okay, number 7 through 12, just quickly as a review. Number 7, tight. Number 8, night. Number 9, high. Number 10, bright. Number 11, fight. And number 12, slight. All right, moving on to our high frequency words. Number 1, your. Your. Is your house on the left? Your. Number 1. Your. Okay, moving on. Number 2. Number 2 is put. Put. You can put your bag down on the floor. Put. Number 2. Put. Okay, number 3, know. I know the answer to your question. Know. I know the answer to your question. Number 3, know. Okay, and number 4 is both. Both. I have read both of those books. Both. Good job. Almost finished. Both. Okay, the high frequency words 1 through 4. Number 1 is your. Number 2 is put. Number 3 is know, as in I know the correct answer. And number 4 is both. All right, our sentence for today, I'll just say it through. You can repeat it with me, and then I'll break it up into 2 parts like I normally do. The light shone bright in the night. The light shone bright in the night. If we say that together, the light shone bright in the night. So shone is the past of shine. So instead of shine, it's shone. Okay. So the sentence again, I'll break it up. The light shone The light shone. Second part, bright in the night. Bright in the night. Okay, the sentence one more time, just all together. The light shone bright in the night. Move that down to the sentence. Okay, and one last time. The light shone bright in the night. All right, that was our week 29 spelling test. You can go ahead and take a quick picture and keep up the great work. Thanks so much. Bye.